In today's video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Tonkeeper wallet. For that, launch your Bitget exchange first, then provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your Bitget account. Now tap on the Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and select the Spot option in the top. Now tap on Withdraw and it will redirect you on this page where you need to use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find it, tap on its icon and select the on-chain withdrawal. Once done, you will be landed on this type of page where the first thing that you need to do is to simply change the network. So since we are working with the Tonkeeper wallet, you need to make sure that the Tone network is selected over here. Now it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get it, you just have to simply launch your Tonkeeper wallet, then tap on the receive option. This is your deposit address which you just have to copy from here, then go back to Bitget and paste the address in this section. After that, in the address tag, you don't need to actually add anything because it is optional. You just have to simply follow the next step where you just have to enter the amount of USDT that you want to transfer. After filling these details, tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you need to review the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything is correct, you simply need to just proceed to confirm. Now after the successful confirmation, you will be able to get your USDT from Bitget to your Tonkeeper wallet. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.